Yeah, welcome to FS Global Limited. Today is 24th of November 2022, and this is our daily market update and analysis. And yesterday, we analyzed that this market will pull back to this level, then we'll look for a buy to the upside. Now, as you can say, the market market did pull back, but the market broke the level we were watching, and then look at liquidities. Of course, that is to say that these guys are still willing to go to downside. Now, having seen this, so the question is here, what are we then looking at? Though we still have this particular block here that is still holding price, but with what we are seeing, there's also a little gap that this market open with. So this market will necessarily pull back, then come and close the book up. Then if it does that, inside here, there is a level here, because it has actually broken a structure and there's a fair value gap here. So you see the market going back here again. And then considering the movement to the downside. So it is obvious to see that the market has given another movement altogether. So let's go to daily. So let's check out what we have here daily. So this is our block. So market pull back to this level, one back to this level, and then begin to come down. And today, the news that we'll have today, I will actually be expecting to see something like this happen today. If I go to lower time frame, this is a fair value gap. So we'll likely come into this fair value gap here before we start the push to the downside again. So, but for now, this is what I expect. I'm expecting to have this push to upside. So let me draw it properly. It's a block. This is what I'm seeing. All right. So, and it might not easily go back up like this. Market might begin to give us, a little push, boom, 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 just gradually before it goes to the upside. So I would be expecting to see something like that happen actually. That's what I'm expecting to see. When they get here, then they might not necessarily decide to go to downside again, right? But for now, that is what I'll be expecting on this trade for now. So depending on the momentum that takes them here, if it's like this, that means they will have to come back into it then push to the upside. But for now, this is what we're seeing on this chart. Next one, Euro USD. So we analyzed that this was going to happen. Yeah. Then pull back based on the structure of the market. But as you can see, market did something. Market took out this liquidity that we have here, and then decided to see go further up. Right? So they decided to go further up. So what we're expecting to see here is this. Because we're anticipating a reversal here before the news that changed the movement. So we're taking out all this. And once market has changed its movement, you have to also change. So here we'll have this block and we'll have this. So we should be expecting anything that will make this market come down a little, push up again, tap into this. Then from here, I would like to see a reaction. This is what I would like to see on this particular pair. So this is actually in 2 hours. Then the next one is GPUSD. We also anticipated a pullback, kind of a reversal on GPUSD here until the news that changed the narrative of things. And that is why in this business, you must make sure you're trading with stop losses. If not, that you will lose your account. So this liquidity was taken out, like I told us, they want them to take out this liquidity, and it has been taken out. So from here, we're anticipating to see them sell the market down before the news that came and took away this structure. So since this structure is already taken out, what are we then looking at? Let's go to 4 hours. Okay. So we're taking this out. This was what we were expecting them to get to yesterday and pull back, but we couldn't get that. So they actually came and took out this liquidity, this OB that we have here. So after that, markets changed its movement because this was where we were expecting them to pull back to kind of go down. Why? Because market broke a structure here and return back to this place. So we want to see them come down. But what happened? They pulled above. So what are we then expecting to see this morning? This is a level for us where we're expecting market to reverse. If you go to weekly time frame, you will see that in this particular zone, we're not just expecting them to reverse for nothing's sake. They might actually give us that during the news or something. So if you watch here, you see that this is a major block, right? On the weekly time frame. So market pulled back and market came back here. So the most difficult thing on this particular strategy is for you to because we're mostly called reversal traders, all right? So we know that definitely the market is likely going to reverse here. So if you refine this OB, you see we still have a short way to go. All right, let's zoom in so we can see it clearly. So if you are buying, buy with understanding, right? Don't expect that this market will keep going up. All right. So, and FOMC is coming up. So you should be careful. So we have this. This is the level we're seeing here. Being that this is the level we're seeing here, there's a fair value gap here. So ideally, we should be expecting market to come back to this fair value gap, to tap into this fair value gap, then go to the upside. So that is what we'll be expecting. We would like to see the market come back to this fair value gap. So my eye is still here on this fair value gap for market to move up aggressively. Okay, so I will be taking out this channel. Good. So we would like to see something like this happen. I would like to see them extend to this level here, then go down, close here for the week, then next week fly up to hit this level. This is perfectly what this trade should give us. But we trade what we see, not what we feel. So we have to play by that. Then we're going straight to daily. Let's see what happened in daily. So this was the level we're watching the market to come to, at least to pull back to this level. But as you can see, markets kept moving to the upside. So we trade what we see, not what we feel. So here, this is a block refined as refined on daily. So we're going to 4 hours, H4. This is H4. This is what the price is at the moment. And also we'll have an OB here. Of an OB here. So and the smaller one here, okay, then we'll have this. So of this aggressive move to the upside that took us this liquidity. So break of market structure, market need to pull back, right? We still have to see this market go up, tap this level. Then if this market gives us something like this, we'll take it. So if you take your Fibonacci from here to here, this is about, first get to 50 or 60% and take back off, take away this liquidity from here, come back, and so this is actually perfectly what we should be expecting of this particular trade. So you don't rush and sell now. You have to wait to get confirmation. I'm actually seeing news doing this job. I'm seeing news doing this job. All right. But market is still getting to the upside. So you trade what you see, and buying is better this trade until when you've seen it breaking through to come to downside. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Good. Good. It's playing out as expected. So it gave us 100% delivery, took out liquidity down. Because I marked this that into take out this liquidity. So taking out this liquidity down. And after that, it went to the upside. So here and here is favoring the up. So we want to see market reverse anything from here. So this analysis is perfect and it's still playing out just as it was analyzed. Another one is ADUSD. ADUSD broke the structure and it's here right now. So we had it move to the upside, just so we analyzed, but the news changed the narrative of things. So we see them still going to the upside. We're anticipating a reversal here, but they've taken up all this level to this flex. So based on what we were expecting here, based on what we'll have here, we have this market break a structure here, one bar break a structure here, created this liquidity, internal liquidity, all right? There's internal liquidity here. So we are also expecting to see these guys look for a way to come to a downside. That is the truth. So if you go back to lower time frame, like let's say 2 hours, let's try to zoom out a bit. Now we can see something here. So this is a block, which is where the market is right now. Okay. So some of us will be looking for a sell. Not bad to look for a sell here, but you should know that before market reverses, markets have to take out the previous high or something. So I will still be expecting them to take out this liquidity, but not immediate. So if I see something like this, it push on the upside, take away this high, yeah, then down, to go to the upside, for coming to the downside. I think I would like the setup. I'll prefer the setup better. If you go to 1 hour, I'm trying to refine this entry, trying to refine my entry. So this is what I'm expecting to see from this trade. Then the next one is USD card. It played out just as it was analyzed. We need to go to the upside, then come down to hit this level. Anything from this level, we're expecting them to go to the upside. So, something here. We'll have this coming down too, so it's perfect. So this is what we're expecting from this particular trade. And the next one is USD we expected it to come down to this level before going to the upside. But as you can see, guys, markets is still flying to the upside, even though after they get to this level, some of us still hold on because we didn't say it's half of reversal, we say headed to go down. But then, based on what we saw in the morning, we need to update this analysis. Okay, so here also we'll have a block. So what I should be expecting here is this. We're expecting something like this here. This H4. Let's to hit this level. Then from here, whatever it gives, from here we can think of going to the upside. But for now, this is what I'm expecting for this stage. All right. Next one is NZD-USD. So we'll have this flush above this level, just like all those. But I would like to see this thing take away this previous high. They're taking it out already. So I was expecting to see a reversal sign here so I can sell, but as you can see, the market kept pushing to the upside. Then going back to my daily. Now in my daily, I'm also expecting to see this market go to the upside on daily, tap this level. Then I have this level to watch. So I'm taking out this one. So we'll have this level. Market is coming down to that level. So I'm taking out these levels. So the question is, what are we seeing happen on daily? Market take away this liquidity that is upside here, this buy stop liquidity. And then market is coming to this particular level here. Right? This is a block. So we would like to see this market push further up, then come back down to tap into this fair value gap, then look for a way to go to the upside. This is in the long run, right? What in long term, what we expect to happen in the long term. But so with what we're expecting now for today's trade is we would like to see this market go to the upside, then come down. Okay. 4 hours. This is what we have on daily. Then this also have on 4 hours. So whatever that will make this market to go to the upside, tap this level, they begin to find its way to come to downside. I'll come to down with them. Okay. Before going to the upside. The next one is Nasdaq. Nasdaq played that exactly as analyzed yesterday. So as you can see, it went up and hit this level. What we analyze that market will come to hit before we take our decision to sell. So what we are right now is at the point we look for a reversal to take this trade down. All right. So this analysis still remain valid. Another one is US30. US30 played out exactly as analyzed. So as you can see, it went up And from here, we're seeing sign of reversal. So this analysis is still valid. For the X, we'll have them come down here to take out liquidity. We're expected to see them go to the upside for coming down. Now they went up a bit, then began to cool down, but they used the smaller OB. Then after that, market start coming down. So the question here is, what are we then expecting from this trade? So if we watch here, we'll have this level to watch. So I would like to see anything that makes this guy to go to the upside a bit, come back, tap into this level, all right? Then give us a break or struggle to this side, or possibly enter here, take away this low here. Then from here, you can start expecting them to go to the upside. That's why Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy played out exactly as analyzed, as you can see. So it's hit the level we expected and began to give us a reversal sign. So this analysis is still valid, and we're still flying with analysis until when proven otherwise. But for now, the analysis is valid. So next one is, I think we have done, this is what we try to concentrate on today's analysis. Ensure that you don't trade too heavy because of FOMC, right? And I'm not saying they're moving the market very fast today. So be careful, they'll hit some stops, and before they will get a little contract that they will not swap off tomorrow. And the year is coming to an end, so market will not be too amazing now. So please trade lightly, don't trade heavy. Thank you very much, and do have a perfect trading day. I remain Godwin Emmanuel.